This product was sent to me free from Influencer and Kiss Products in exchange for my honest review. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. I've featured many videos here before about Influencer and all the products that I receive. You guys can also receive free products. My link is in the bio if you guys are interested in joining. In order to complete the campaign and qualify for future Voxboxes, you have to complete activities. That's the only downside to it, but if you don't mind posting those videos, following those steps, doing those reviews, then please feel free to check out Influencer and use my link if you guys want to join. So anyway, without further ado, let's just get straight into today's video. So I'm gonna demo how to use these magnetic lashes by Kiss. What this is basically is a magnetic eyeliner kit. You have just basically two steps, okay? So you have the liner, the liquid liner, and then you have the lashes. These are long-lasting, reusable, no smudge, biotin infused formula. So on each lash there are like 5 magnets. You simply put the liner on and just place it on. It's that easy. I've actually used some magnetic lashes before. Like I mentioned, the kit is pretty simple. So I already have mascara. These are not really the style I go for typically, so wish me luck. This is what the liner looks like. Basically, I'm gonna apply it to my lash line, wait for it to dry, and then apply the lashes. I've learned that the trick to these magnetic lashes is that you put like a generous amount. So in case the lashes move around, they will still kind of be in place, you know? Once I'm satisfied with the liner, I just wait for it to dry, as I mentioned, and then we're just gonna pop on the lashes. So this is the first lash on. Pretty easy. I feel like you have to accommodate it a little bit, but pretty easy. So kind of like that. It's pretty easy. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Like I said, the style is not my fave, but it still does the job, especially if you just want to spice up your look. I definitely recommend going in a few times with the liner just to maximize the strength of it, but honestly, it is pretty good. If you're like not too much into makeup and you want something fast, you want to get the lash look without the hassle of the glue and all of that, not bad. I like it. Have you ever tried magnetic lashes, and what do y'all think about it? I'm kind of digging these, y'all. I'm kind of digging this. Not bad. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.